rainforest. There goes a butterfly. There's a whole bunch of them.
Hey,
Say hi.
Are you videotaping?
Yes, I am. They're discussing important interracial issues.
Who is?
Black man should always die first.
Bunch of black guy walking out.
No, Renee.
This is not a world of segregation anymore. You two have to get along.
He is my slave.
Bonnie's jumping yet hiding. Rainforest.
Could you actually go down there and walk through there to the aquarium? I couldn't.
We can do that next. Birds. More butterflies. People. Fun.
All the animals in this place are dead.
Not the butterflies and birds, but everything else. And the bats are alive.
They're mechanical.
Oh yeah, these are those animatronic birds they were making downstairs. Fishies. Peoples. Man removing sweater. Finding friends, finding friends. Friends be found. Lovely painting of rainforest, how authentic. Ooh, trash. Nice. That's classy.
You took a picture of that little red thing?
What little red thing? Show
The
me.
little red lizard. This thing.
Where is he?
It's over there.
Finding.
Yeah.
Oh, I see him.
Renee found it. Just it on.
Where is he on the camera? Oh, I see. He's right there in the center. Moving around very little. I'm going to stop the video now.